G'day, we're here to demonstrate the 8mm Maxibinder, how it's used and how to set it up. So alongside it, we've got the 8mm by 9m chain kit. Comes with 2 grab hooks on each end. And we've also got the Tegrals poly chain knuckle made right here in Australia to demonstrate how we protect the load. So the first step when using a Maxibinder is to inspect and make sure it's in good condition and that it's safe to use. So when we're inspecting it, we're looking for wear on the chain, we're looking for any wear on the cogs, and we're looking for any damaged or loose nuts or bolts. So we also recommend using the lubrication spray to ensure that that it's well lubricated. This will serve to extend the lifetime of your Maxibinder. So the first step in applying it is to rig up your 8mm chain on both sides of your trailer. You demonstrate it there through the strong portion of the coaming rail. The next step is with your Maxibinder, make sure the handle is in the up position prior to engaging the first hook. So we're now going to hook the first hook on the highest chain length that's suitable based on the height of the person using it. So we're going to engage it here. So that's the first step done. We're then going to pick up the lashing chain, and we're going to loop the lashing chain through the hook here, so it's engaged. Because of the handy swivel feature on the Maxibinder, we can swivel to make sure that the chain is in straight condition prior to engaging the Maxibinder. Next, ensuring that the Maxibinder is in the control position. With my hand, I'm going to pull down any loose tension out of the chain, and then with my other hand, I'm going to engage the Maxibinder. And then from here, we are now in the action of tightening the Maxibinder. Tighten until you're happy with the tension of the chain, and ensure that the Maxibinder is put back into the locking position prior to leaving the yard. This demonstrates how to engage and use a Maxibinder. Contact us if you've got any questions. Also bear in mind the Maxibinder comes in 6, 8 or 10mm variant. We'd love to help you out if you've got any questions. Thank you.